Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining a tight, sellable offer and a demo that proves it. Explain what you will deliver and why it matters to the client's song. This reduces decision friction. Once done, package services into 2-3 options with transparent pricing and turnaround times so prospects can choose. Make sure to include a concise 60-90-second demo that highlights clarity, balance, and commercial tone. Speak directly to the musician's goals and invite one quick sample review to start the relationship. You now execute outreach with focused targeting and a repeatable pitch. Start by identifying where ideal clients hang out, Instagram, production forums, local studios, and tailor one short pitch template that states the pain, your solution, and a single call to action. Once done, send personalized pitches and follow up within 72 hours. Make sure to offer a low-friction test, a 15-30-minute paid sample or discounted trial mix so artists can evaluate your work without a big commitment. You finish by closing professionally and delivering value that creates referrals. Use a simple contract covering scope, revisions, and payment terms. Accept common payments and prepare 1099 info if needed. Deliver mixes with clear notes, include 1-2 rounds of revisions, and request a testimonial or referral immediately after sign-off. If things go wrong, ask for specific timestamps and examples. Offer one targeted remix or a partial refund to preserve reputation, and document feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.